All right, I'm Dr. Ara Deuk at the Duke Spine Institute, and I have here one of my patients who we just put on the spot. But you're here today. Why are you here today?
Because I had really bad back pain and back trouble. And I was wanting to get something done about it, get fixed.
And you had leg symptoms too, right?
Yeah.
Which leg was bothering
My
you?
right leg, the pain go all the way down my leg, down my calf.
Now you have a funny accent. Where are you from?
Kansas.
Kansas. And we were talking a little bit yesterday. You actually fixed tires,
Yeah.
right?
Truck
combine
tires, yeah, implement, truck tires, tractor, combine.
Yep. And so you traveled to Florida to get your back fixed here at Duke Spine.
Yes.
Why did you do that?
Well, I was scrolling on Facebook and I saw all your videos and started doing my own research and figured this is the place to be.
So you had surgery yesterday,
Yes.
the Deuk Laser Disc Repair.
Yes.
And how are you feeling today?
I felt great.
The back pain you came to Florida with, are you going back home with that?
No, I'm leaving that here.
You're leaving it here? So your back pain's gone. What about your right leg?
Yeah, I don't feel anything going down it. I can walk and
It's gone.
gone.
So you're happy.
Yes.
We healed you.
Very happy.
You've been
Yeah.
cured.
Yes.
All right, good. Now don't go mess it up.
I won't.
You're not wearing a back brace, are you?
I was.
All right,
I took
good.
it off in here.
You took it off.
Yes.
Good. Well, is there anything you want to tell the world?
Yeah, I think if you have any back problems, you just come here. I'll fix you up.
All right, well, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
And you guys are going home today, right?
Yes.
Flying or driving?
Flying.
Flying. So basically 3 days, right?
Right.
3 days, and your whole life has changed now.
Exactly. Yes.
Congratulations.
All right. Thank you. I
You're
appreciate all of
welcome.
you.
My pleasure. All right.